Simplify the fourth root of 100 over the square root of 10. Since the indexes are different, we can't simplify this at the beginning. So before we get into actually simplifying this problem, let me review a concept. If, for instance, we were given the sixth root of x to the third power, although we can't simplify by removing any x's from underneath the radical sign, we can reduce our exponent with our index. So since 3 goes into both 3 and 6, the sixth root of x to the third, we reduce each, the index and the exponent, by a factor of 3. So now this becomes 3 divided by 3 is 1, so that'd be x to the first. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. So the sixth root of x to the third is the same thing as the square root of x. Let's look at one more. Let's say, for instance, we have the eighth root of a squared. Again, we can't simplify by removing any factors of a from underneath the radical sign, but you notice that both 2 and 8 have a common factor, and the common factor is 2. So we're going to divide 2 out of both the exponent and the index. So now this becomes a to the first power, because 2 divided by 2 is 1, and our index changes from 8 to 4 because we divide 8 by 2, and that gives us 4. So the eighth root of a squared is the same as the fourth root of a to the first power. Now let's look at the problem we have. Here we have the fourth root of 100. We know we can break 100 down into 10 squared. So again, we have the fourth root of 10 squared over the square root of 10. Since 2 divides into 2 and 4, we can reduce both of these by factors of 2. So now we have the square root of 10 over the square root of 10, which equals 1.